Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your liked posts on LinkedIn. This is incredibly useful when you want to revisit content you've previously engaged with, whether it's an insightful article, a helpful resource, or an interesting discussion you want to reference later. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and basic information. Click on your profile to open your full LinkedIn profile page. This is where all your professional information, posts, and activity are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Activity. This section gives you a snapshot of your recent LinkedIn activity, including posts you've shared, comments you've made, and content you've engaged with. It's essentially a hub for tracking your interactions on the platform. Within the Activity section, look for the option that says Show All and click on it. This will expand your activity view and give you access to more detailed filtering options. You'll notice several tabs appear that allow you to sort through different types of activity. Now click on the Reactions tab. This specific tab is designed to show all the posts and content you've reacted to on LinkedIn, including likes, celebrates, supports, and other reaction types. It's a chronological record of everything you've engaged with. And there you have it. You can now see all your liked posts displayed in order. You can scroll through them, revisit content, or even remove reactions if you need to. This feature makes it easy to keep track of valuable content without having to search through your entire feed or rely on memory. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.